Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys some possible solutions or troubleshootings if your laptop is stuck on restarting screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I suggest and try holding down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown. If that doesn't work, you might need to do a hard reset by removing the battery and then reconnecting it. If all else fails, you can try to hold the ESC key, which on very rare occasions can cancel, restart, or shutdown. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable the fast startup settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type at dito yung control panel and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung category. And next step, dito sa category settings and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung hardware and sound. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa left side menu and then select mo lang dito yung choose what the power buttons do. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change settings that are currently unavailable. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa shutdown settings, so kailangan lang natin i-disable or i-uncheck natin tong turn on fast startup. So uncheck lang natin yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang click dito yung save changes. So click mo lang yan. Alright. So in other solutions na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. So dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung device manager and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang gagawin natin dito is to roll back device drivers. Okay? So i-select lang natin tong drivers and then kailangan lang natin gawin yung rollback device drivers. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung storage controllers. So click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay dito sa kanyang driver ay kailangan mo lang i-select yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. And next step, dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung drivers. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang driver ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung rollback driver. So if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. Okay? So kailangan lang natin yan i-roll back and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito sa device manager and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix laptop stuck on restarting screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.